Chapter 19. Conjunctions. Learn with me. Conjunctions are special words that link different parts of sentences. They help us join words, phrases, or clauses. Here are some common conjunctions. And add one thing to another. Example, I want cookies and milk. But shows a difference. Example, I like cat but not dogs. Or offer a choice. Example, would you like tea or coffee? Because give a reason. Example, she is happy because she won a prize. So, shows the result or effect. Example, it was raining so we stayed indoors. Additional insight. Conjunctions are special words that help us join ideas in our sentences. Beside common ones like and, but, or, because, and so, there are others too. Although used to show a difference between two ideas. Example, although it was raining, we played outside. This means even though it was raining one idea, we still played outside another idea. If used to show a condition or a possibility. Example, if you eat your vegetables, you can have desserts. This means eating your vegetables condition will let you have dessert result. Try using these conjunctions to make your sentence more exciting and detailed.